Hey guys, it's me again, Flo. All through this week, I'll be uploading Nigerian fufu recipes. I have a long list of requests for Nigerian fufu recipes, so I've decided to upload each and every one of them all through this week. Fufu all week long. Are you ready? Fufu is a swallow meal. It's dough made from different starchy foods. So when the dough is done, you make a lump of the dough, dip it in a Nigerian soup for fufu meals, put it in your mouth and swallow. Those who don't know how to swallow, chew it, but mbao. Nigerian soups for fufu meals are not what the rest of the world calls soups. They are more like stews, but we call them soups so that we can differentiate them from the ones we use to eat other staple food like boiled white rice, boiled yam, boiled potatoes. We call those ones stews and call the ones that we use for fufu soups, if that makes sense. I already have a video for how to make pounded yam using mortar and pestle and manpower and woman power and sweat. The link to that video should pop up on the screen right now. Go check it out. Today, we'll be making pounded yam using a stand mixer so that if you have a stand mixer, you can make it work harder for you by using it for pounded yam. Let's go. You only need white puna yam and water. If you do not have white puna yam, use sweet potatoes. Actually, Americans call sweet potatoes yams. Sweet potatoes are way sweeter than puna yam. It's actually a weird sweet taste for a fufu meal, but they are the closest alternative in terms of the starch content. For the best texture of pounded yam, use the middle part of the yam. The head of the yam is too fibrous and has a bitter taste. The tail of the yam does not have enough starch and is not as sweet. Also, do not use newly harvested yam, that is jiofo, to prepare pounded yam. Jiofo does not have enough starch to give you the supple, elastic pounded yam. Slice up the yam like this. Peel the yam and cut into medium pieces. Put in a pot, pour water to cover it and start cooking on medium heat. When it boils, watch the clock and cook it for another 18 to 20 minutes. Please use this time as a guide only because it depends on how far gone from the harvesting date your yam is, if that makes sense. When it's ready, you should be able to easily drive a knife into the yam. The surrounding water will also look cloudy and slightly soupy. Turn off the heat, separate the yams from the water. Don't throw the water because we'll need it later. Use the beater attachment to beat the hell out of the yams. I start with a lower speed, run it for about 30 seconds, then increase to high speed for another 20 seconds. Scrape it down. Add a little bit of soupy water, then whip it again till everything is well combined and supple. If you like your pounded yam very soft, keep adding the soupy water bit by bit till you get the consistency you like for your pounded yam. But be careful oh, if it's too soft, it will lose its elasticity. Pounded yam once ready should be served immediately because it loses its elasticity over time. Please click the like button to let me know that I'm doing a good job with these videos. I work very hard to ensure that I bring you the most detailed information about these recipes. Enjoy it with any Nigerian soup. Most people like the egusi soup and pounded yam combo. Bye bye. See you soon.